What is mathematics? Today we will discuss what is mathematics, basic concept of mathematics. Mathematics is the branch of science. Mathematics is the branch of science that deals with the study of numbers, quantities and shapes. In mathematics we study of numbers, different numbers, whole numbers, integers, different numbers in mathematics, quantities, different quantities we will discuss in mathematics, and shapes and different shapes, for example, triangle shapes, angle shapes. It involves the use of logical reasoning. In mathematics we will use logical reasoning. Symbols, different symbols we use, for example, small brackets, large brackets, and algorithms we use in mathematics to study various concepts such as geometry, calculus, algebra, and number theory. Mathematics is the fundamental tool of our problem solving and decisions making in various fields, including science, engineering, economics, and technology. Mathematics we use in different fields. For example, science we use mathematics in engineering, we use mathematics in economics. You can say that mathematics is the mother of all sciences.